The often overlooked impact of urban green spaces on community well-being is yet significant. In our fast-paced urban lives, these natural havens play a vital role in enhancing our quality of life. Urban green spaces, like parks and gardens, provide essential breathing spaces amidst the concrete landscape. They are not just areas of aesthetic beauty but also crucial for mental and physical health. Studies have shown that regular exposure to green spaces reduces stress, improves mood, and encourages physical activity, all of which are vital for a healthy lifestyle. Additionally, these green areas foster community interaction and engagement. They act as social hubs where people of all ages can come together, promoting a sense of belonging and community spirit. This is particularly important in urban settings where isolation and anonymity can be prevalent. In conclusion, urban green spaces are more than just patches of nature in our cities. In this presentation, I am excited to share with you the surprising benefits of dark chocolate on health. Often considered a guilty pleasure, dark chocolate, in reality, offers a variety of health advantages when consumed in moderation. Dark chocolate, rich in cocoa, is packed with antioxidants, specifically flavonoids. These compounds are known for their role in reducing heart disease risk by improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that regular consumption of small amounts of dark chocolate can benefit cardiovascular health. Moreover, dark chocolate also positively affects brain health. Research suggests that the flavonoids in dark chocolate may improve cognitive function, enhance mood, and even provide neuroprotective effects. This makes it not just a treat for the palate, but also for the mind. Dark chocolate is more than just a dessert. Its health benefits, from improving heart health to boosting brain function, make it a delightful addition to a balanced diet.
Today, let's delve into the revolutionary impact of the printing press, an invention that transformed society and laid the groundwork for the modern world. Invented by Johannes Gutenberg in the 15th century, the printing press ushered in an era of mass communication, altering the course of history. Before the printing press, books were hand-copied and scarce, limiting knowledge to a privileged few. Gutenberg's invention made it possible to produce books quickly and in large numbers, democratizing information and making it accessible to a broader audience. This was a turning point that fueled the Renaissance, the scientific revolution, and the Reformation. The spread of printed material led to increased literacy rates and the dissemination of new ideas across Europe. It broke the monopoly of the elite over knowledge and education, empowering individuals with information and fostering critical thinking and debate. Furthermore, the printing press played a crucial role in preserving and sharing knowledge. It helped standardize languages and texts, shaping cultural and national identities.
Space exploration is a testament to human curiosity and technological advancement. From peering into the stars with early telescopes to landing rovers on Mars, this journey illustrates our relentless pursuit to understand the cosmos. The story of space exploration began with early astronomers like Galileo, who used telescopes to observe celestial bodies. This marked the beginning of a new era in understanding our universe. Fast forward to the 20th century, when the launch of Sputnik, the first artificial satellite, ignited the space race, leading to remarkable milestones including the historic Apollo moon landing in 1969. In recent years, space exploration has entered a new frontier with missions to Mars. Rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance have been exploring the Martian surface, searching for signs of past life and paving the way for future human missions. These rovers represent incredible feats of engineering and symbolize our ongoing quest to explore the unknown. In today's lecture, I'm delighted to take you back in time to explore the historical impact of the Silk Road. This ancient network of trade routes not only facilitated the exchange of goods but also acted as a bridge between civilizations, cultures, and ideas. The Silk Road, spanning from China to the Mediterranean, was instrumental in the trade of precious goods like silk, spices, tea, and gold. However, its significance extends beyond commerce. It was a conduit for cultural exchange, allowing for the movement of philosophies, religions, and even artistic styles across continents. This cross-cultural interaction played a crucial role in the development of the societies it connected. For example, the Silk Road facilitated the spread of Buddhism from India to East Asia and brought Chinese inventions like paper and gunpowder to the West. The legacy of the Silk Road is a testament to the power of connectivity and exchange.